Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So without delay, let's go to the start. You know that I have created this channel only for speaking learning, how to improve, how to create anything like that. Okay, but today I want to say something. Actually, why I cannot upload it in my channel because of actually I am taking preparation for TET exams. Before, I think 2 times I have given TET exam, but I do not grade because of before exam I cannot preparation better. Okay, so this is the main problem. So I decided myself, okay, if I crack this exam, so I will have to lots of study. Okay, so that is why this is the main reason. So that is why I cannot upload it video regularly. Okay, so friends, actually I want to say something. Actually when I used to student of the life, okay, at the time I was thinking that if I think if I completed my study at the time, I will speak. Okay, but gradually I understand myself that it is not possible because English is a language. Okay, English is a just a language. If you or me or anyone cannot express, okay, cannot express, so it is not possible. So that is why English, if you learn and if you speak out, okay, so it will be possible. Okay, so friends, actually I want to say something here. Actually now in 2013, right now, okay, however you are excellent, if you do not know English, okay, so your life is a hard, will be hard. Okay, because you know that English is a international language. Okay, and if you want suppose you are traveling in the world, okay, and you are traveling in the anything place like that you like, okay, and after gone this place, okay, you will have to speak in English, but you do not know English, so how will be possible by you? Okay, so this is the main reasons. And in 2013, in 2023, English is most important because before 10 years ago, 20 years ago, English is not important in our life, but right now English is the most important. Okay, and so this is the main reasons. So friends, actually I don't know, yeah, actually today it is not my topic. Okay, whenever think in comes in my mind, I will speak, just to speak. Okay, whatever comes in your mind, just speak. Okay, and speak regularly. Okay, you know that if you want to speak, okay, and if you if you want to improve yourself, okay, so just speak or speak. Okay, right or wrong, okay, after finished your video, okay, when you speak in front of camera or in front of mirror, okay, after finished your speech, you can watch, okay, how many times did I stop, how many times did you stop, okay, how much have you hesitated, something like that. Okay, anything, just speak or speak. Okay friends, so okay, so I will come back next video. Okay, if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel so that I can improve. Sorry, I can actually what the will be what I cannot mind in my mind. Okay, this is the main reason. Okay, so I always self procrastinate myself. This is the main reasons. Okay friends, so I will come next video. Okay, take care.